all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Much like the rest of the world, India too is waiting with bated breath for a COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine, which had sparked hopes, invited fears of a rush process, as ICMR issued a circular last week putting a deadline on the process. The Indian Council of Medical Research on Sunday clarified it has not set an August 15 deadline for the Made in India vaccine for COVID-19. The Apex Biomedical Research Agency said its aim is to complete trials quickly, similar to vaccine candidates in other countries. The vaccine is being tested on a fast-track basis, considering the need to urgently control the coronavirus spread. Our internal communication is being misinterpreted. We only said that we envisage having a vaccine by August 15, and it is not a deadline. We have not said that we will launch a vaccine by then. The process can be expedited, but the vaccine still will have to undergo all safety clinical trials. The Ministry of Science and Technology also clarified that none of the coronavirus vaccines are likely to be ready before 2021. 6 Indian companies are working on COVID-19 vaccine. Along with 2 Indian vaccines, Covaxin and Zycov-D, world over 11 out of 140 vaccine candidates are in human trials. None of these are likely to be ready for mass use before 2021. On July 2nd, ICMR Director Balram Bhargava in a letter asked Bharat Biotech to accelerate the clinical trials of Covaxin. The drug maker has developed Covaxin in partnership with ICMR, the first candidate to receive approval from the DCGI for clinical trials. Bhargava also strictly advised companies to accelerate approvals related to starting clinical trials. The ICMR also reportedly asked the companies to ensure that subject enrollment is initiated no later than July 7th. ICMR also said that the organization's aim was to initiate the population-based trials for efficacy without any delay. The aim is to complete these phases at the earliest so that population-based trials for efficacy could be initiated without delay. Our trials will be done following the best practices and will be reviewed by a Data Safety Monitoring Board. According to reports, as many as 1,125 people will undergo Covaxin trials, and the recruitment of these candidates will begin from July 7th. Globally, there are 13 vaccines undergoing clinical trials as of now, while 129 are in the preclinical evaluation phase.